An 8K drone with a screen remote and dual cameras? For this price? Today we're checking out the brand new E99 AIR Drone. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today we're reviewing the E99 AIR Drone, a compact foldable quadcopter packed with smart flying features, dual cameras, and beginner-friendly controls. Let's see if it's actually worth buying.
First impression? This drone looks surprisingly modern. Compact foldable design. Lightweight and easy to carry. Stylish body with LED lighting. Travel-friendly build. You can easily throw it into a backpack and take it anywhere.
One of the coolest features? The remote controller includes a 4.3-inch built-in display screen. That means easier live viewing, better flying experience, no need to rely completely on your phone. Perfect for beginners and casual users. Now let's talk about the cameras. The E99 AIR includes dual camera system, real-time FPV transmission, and adjustable aerial viewing angles. It supports aerial photography, video recording, ground and overhead shots. And yes, it does advertise 8K HD recording, though real-world quality is closer to entry-level consumer drones. This drone is loaded with fun, smart features. Altitude hold for stable hovering. Headless mode for easy control. One-key takeoff and landing. 360-degree stunt flips. Mobile app control. Gravity sensing flight. Even first-time drone users can start flying quickly. Battery and performance. Flight time is around 15 minutes per battery. Stable 2.4 GHz control signal. Smart wind resistance helps with light outdoor flying. Just remember, strong wind can still affect lightweight drones like this. The E99 AIR feels designed mainly for kids and beginners, social media fun, casual outdoor flying, learning aerial photography basics. It's simple, fun, and beginner-friendly. So, should you buy it? Compact and portable. Easy for beginners. Fun dual camera setup. Built-in screen remote is useful. But not true professional 8K quality. Lightweight body struggles in strong wind. Battery life could be longer. Still, for a budget-friendly mini drone, it offers a lot of features for casual users. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.